Hi guys, we have finished up another wonderful day at La Sante Medi Spa, and I hope that your day has been just as great as ours. For those of you that don't know, we're actually located across the road from the Koala Park in West Pennant Hills. So for the thousands of you that are sitting there on Castle Hill Road in the morning at peak hour traffic or on the way home, just next time feel free to drop in and say hi. We'd love to meet you. We're really excited about today's video because it's my personal favorite treatment. Mon, is it yours?
My personal favorite.
Mon's personal favorite as well. It's PRP. I also have it on good authority that it's Dr. Solomon's favorite treatment plus the girls here at La Sante. So let's learn a bit.
Everyone loves it.
Let's learn a bit about it.
So PRP stands for Platelet Rich Plasma, and it's a treatment that's been made famous by Kim Kardashian a couple of years ago when she dubbed it the vampire facial. So Dr. Solomon's been performing this treatment for about 8 or so years in the clinic, and it loves it. And the reason that it's so wonderful is because we're taking the platelets, which we all know are the healing factors in the blood, and we're depositing it exactly where it needs to be to help regenerate collagen in tissue. It's been used in sports medicine and orthopedics for the past 30 odd years, and now it has a really great application in cosmetic medicine too.
Great, so basically what can it be used for? What it does, it can be used for multiple things. So first of all, it can build tissue, as Mon said, predominantly in the cheeks. So as you can see, I've been lucky enough to have PRP for a few months now, and I've been able to build up tissue in my cheeks quite nicely because I wasn't genetically blessed with my mum's cheekbones. So that's worked really well for me, and I've been able to avoid filler in the cheeks. The next thing it's really good at doing is restoring volume loss in people who have lost a lot of weight or people who have just been aging naturally. So that's really great too. The next thing it's used for is for acne scarring and pore size as well, delivered in a different way. Also for hair regrowth and restoration for people who have lost a lot of hair or starting to lose hair. We've gotten really good results with that too. And the last thing is because it really does restore the life and the glow back into dull looking skin, and that's a result that everybody sees.
Yeah, so I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about how the process works. So the first step in the PRP treatment is we take a sample of your blood, hence the vampire facial, just like a normal blood test, and then we put it in a centrifuge and we separate it into its various components. So I'll just show you. This is a sample of Dr. Solomon's blood that we took earlier today. So we discard the red part and we just use this liquid here that you see, which is all of your beautiful plasma.
Perfect. So what we do with that beautiful plasma is we can deliver it in 3 ways. So the first way is our favorite, and it's actually very unique to us because Dr. Solomon has pioneered it. And what we do, if I can borrow Mon's face, is we can treat the entire mid-face using this technique. We make entry points into the skin from here, and we can treat up from the nasolabial fold, across the cheek as well, and from the jawline, depositing the plasma. The next way we do it is coming up from the cheek here, and again from this entry point we treat under the eye, across the cheek, and down here too. So what that does, thank you,
doesn't hurt at all.
In a really painless way, we're getting the plasma deeper into the tissue and the collagen starts to build.
So the second way of using it is in combination with microneedling. So either using a dermapen or a micro roller, we cause controlled injury to the skin. And then we infuse the plasma over the top of that to help heal the injury that we've caused. And what that does is it helps to promote the production of new collagen, and it helps in people who have concerns like acne scarring and people who have open pores as well. And the third way that it's used is by the use of little needles, which we just use to deposit little bleps of the PRP throughout the whole face. And although it sounds really painful, we do have a very strong and effective topical anesthetic cream that we use before all the treatments to help just minimize the discomfort.
Yeah. So if I can do it, you guys can, that's for sure. So basically the reason we love it, I know we're harping on about it, but the reason we love it is because it's a natural therapy. All we're doing is we're taking the best from your blood and injecting it back into your skin, and then that's it. Your blood does the rest and your body does the rest. So we really do recommend that you guys come in and have a chat to us about it. And Mon, how often do you do it? I can't remember.
So it's recommended that you have one treatment every 4 weeks for the first 3 months. And then after that, we see people generally coming back 2 or 3 times a year just to maintain that beautiful collagen that we're helping to build up. So
yeah, if you guys want us to go in more detail about it, if that's possible, come in, have a chat with us. We'd love to see you all here at La Sante.
thanks for tuning in, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.